here we are. So this is my 1 month on T. I'm Zy, by the way, or Zion, either one works. I'm gonna just start talking about the things, the first thing, the most prominent to the least prominent. Bottom growth, it like grows with every shot. It seems like it slowed down a little, but yeah, bottom growth. Another big thing is sex drive. Yeah, so I've been all horny. I would like to get hornier. That's one of the things I'm definitely looking forward to. Being on T, I know a lot of people are like, I don't want to be horny, but like, I need it, thank you. Oh god, okay, so acne, oh my god. You can't probably see because I put cover up on some of them, but I'm getting pimples on my face where they never show up. Like here, I got some here, here, here. They usually only show up on my chin, but that's not fun. Yeah, and also to add to that, my forehead is way more oily. Just my forehead though. Okay, before T, I literally had to put oil on my skin and my forehead because I have really dry skin. But now I have not been because my forehead is so fucking oily. I'm like taking it the fuck off. Like body hair is pretty much the same. My arms look fucking bald. My legs are, the hair is like fucking see-through. My armpits are the same. Except belly, it looks a little different. It looks like there's more spawning and they're like getting longer. But that's the only thing I've noticed. My facial hair, I have some facial hair for 2 reasons. Normally, people don't start growing facial hair really on 1 month. But I started minoxidil like a few months back and I've been taking it kind of inconsistently. I've been taking that for a while, so I do have like a few, but they're spawning more. It seems like they're spawning easier because with minoxidil, they were really struggling to spawn and I'm just like, come the fuck on. But it seems like they're kind of spawning a little easier. I do kind of get sweatier easier, but on my face, usually my face wouldn't sweat like at all. I could like, you could tell me to run a fucking marathon and my face don't want to sweat. But now like it's getting a little sweatier here. Emotionally, I feel the same. I'm actually happier because I'm on T. And I naturally, unfortunately, don't have that much emotional capacity. So I was worried about T like making me not emotional at all, but it's actually making me more emotional because I'm happy. My voice changed a little bit, I can kind of tell. I don't know if you could tell in the video or not, but it is a little bit different. I'll do a comparison video for that one, like when I'm more on T. Oh, so I've been having like hella PMS symptoms still. Like, God, like my nipples hurt. It's not like, oh, it's from my binder. It's like my nipples are PMS and they'll like PMS usually, but like they still hurt and it's been like 2 weeks. Shameless plug to my Instagram, go follow me, some type of gay. And or if you want me to follow you back, just comment down below here on YouTube. But yeah, thumbs up if you appreciate my videos, I guess. And I'll see y'all later. Thank you for watching. I always record not fully clothed, so okay, don't ask what that is because I'm not gonna tell you. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk. Holy shit, I'm beautiful. If I ever say that in a video, just know that I don't really believe that about myself. I fucking don't think I'm beautiful at all. I want to be beautiful. It's my life goal.